Today we're scam exposing Goex, so let's mine away. Now guys, this is a really big scam. The people behind Change.Pro are back, they're trying to scam. So please, during this video, before this video, after this video, do not invest in Goex. Please, guys, I don't want you to get scammed. This is another scam coming on. They're advertising this and we're all at risk. Please do not invest in Goex. So anyways, what is Goex? It's another investment platform, okay, as it says. And you're going to find a cringy thing. There's a twist, okay? Now as you can see right there in the corner, okay, there's a Google Leads ad. Okay, so they have registered through Google, okay, which I don't know how it worked. I don't know what type of legislation allows scams to go through and advertise. But anyways, CoinMarketCap is involved in this. Look, referral cap, okay, CoinMarketCap. So wait, you're telling me that the referral, okay, is back to CoinMarketCap. So anyone behind this, okay, they're trying to make money off of people, or they're trying to scam people. I don't know, but CoinMarketCap has to be, fucked up in the head. I'm not sure. Okay, investment platform of the Goex.Pro exchange. Now there's a lot of things I'm going to scam expose, so please stay till the end. Now anyways, what is special about Goex? They say daily profit, instant withdrawals, no fees. This is just all shambolic, and then they're saying 3.63%. Now if you're new to the cryptocurrency space, you might not know what is 3.63%, okay, making profits, but that's just shambolic. There's no such thing, okay, there's no such program, because I swear if there is, you would see Binance launching a program, Coinbase launching a platform. Like, all of them will be launching platforms. Why do they not launch platforms? Because it's a scam, because it's unrealistic, because that does not make sense, especially in a bear market. And because people, have just gone through this bear market for 1 year and a quarter nearly, people just like going out of their heads. They cannot think anymore. They don't know, they're not realistic anymore. The market is really, really in the red. People are investing left and right in these scams. And when Change.Pro disappeared, I had a lot of views on that video, people saying, what happened to Change.Pro? I lost my money, I lost such and such Bitcoin, which I'm not sure if they lost the amount of Bitcoin. But if I got that amount, okay, of reports, that means that there has to be seriously something. And Goex came in around the same time of Change.Pro. So anyways, and Kirkland and Felt and the other scams. So anyways, let's see. 27th of December 2017, launch of Goex exchange service, right? This is the exchange service. As you can see, I'm not sure if this even works, because as I said, like, this is all shambolic, this is all just untrusted, okay, as you can see. And if we go on who is, these people think that they can scam me. They think that they can, scam someone that has been exposing scams for over 1 year, and I have gone through like multiple scams, and I have saw the good and the bad of this community. As you can see, registered on 2018, okay, 11th of December 2018, and will expire on the 11th of December of 2019. So as you can see, guys, this thing did not exist in 2017, and it will not exist, okay, till 2019 December. And if it expires that time, well, the website is gone. Goodbye. Anyways, let's see another thing. They're saying that in November 2018, which supposedly have gone away, okay, it has gone. They're saying that they have launched their Goex, token. Go on CoinMarketCap, Goex. There's no such thing as Goex token, not even the last cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. So don't try and fooling us again. Okay, launch of Goex exchange widget for integration into websites. Opening an office in Switzerland, Zurich. I was in Zurich in the past year, and that does not mean I did not see it, but of course, like, it's just a coincidence. Adding of new cryptocurrencies on their exchange, and then launch of mobile app. And the reason why this is deleted on iOS, because iOS, okay, they do not accept scams like these. I'm surprised that Google, okay, after banning all these cryptocurrency ads that are, some of them are legitimate, Okay, they're banning them, but they allowed this scam coming through. I mean, at this point, I'm just saying Google has to just stop all the ads about cryptocurrency, because this is getting out of, out of control, and of adding of new functions of convenient and fast work, and just, other things. And funny thing is, they're saying that they have been launched since 2017. They have a track record. Well, why no one is using them? Why it's not listed as an exchange on CoinMarketCap? That's because it does not exist. How it works: you sign up, invest, receive of profit. I mean, that does not even make sense as of, the English language. Receive what the hell? Receive of profit. How does that even make sense? Withdrawal. So receiving is not coming anytime soon. Statistic information: the popularity and reputation of our exchanger is growing every day. We aspire, anyways, to constantly open new directions of exchanges. As you can see, they have just, other shambolic percentages. So if we invest 1 Bitcoin, do you know the reason why they put the highest number they can? For you to invest the highest number you can. So anyways, with reinvest involved, okay, in 28 days I'm going to make 1.7 Bitcoin, 171%, back on my investment. That seems realistic, guys. That seems realistic. Like, please just, guys, kill me. I mean, at this point, please just hear me out just for once. Don't go and, just commit suicide on this. Please just stop. And they're saying that they have their own application on Android. There are a lot of scam applications, okay, full of viruses and other stuff. And here you have affiliate program. Now, firstly, multi-level, that's a Ponzi scheme. Profitable, I don't know what they mean, but I'm not putting any, fucked up affiliate links. You can submit your choice only once. After that, you will not be able to change your affiliate program. Oh, I cannot change my affiliate program. It's not like you scammed all these people. You don't care about any affiliate program. Now, if you go, guys, on the YouTube, you're going to see a lot of guys saying that it's legitimate. Of course, because it's profitable. Please, guys, think with your minds. These people are just all scammers. They're all marketers. Everyone is trying to just, trying to take a slice off this cake and just eat it, gradually. So please, listen to the real people. I'm not giving affiliate link. I'm not taking any benefits. Please listen. Okay, this thing is a whole scam. Goex did not exist in 2017. Go bonus is an additional reward system. I don't know. And as you can see here, our team made up of 4 people. Analytics, I don't know what that means. Finance director, it's called financial director, or the head of financial department, or advisor, financial advisor, for fuck's sake. And then they're saying Ethan Collins. If you go on LinkedIn, okay, there's 80 plus, Ethan Collins that you can find, okay, everyone with a different job, everyone with a different thing. But I think they're talking about this Ethan Collins. I'm not sure. He has a degree. He does not have anything to do with, this change Goex thing. I don't know, guys. This is just all a scam. And then they're saying that they have been listed on Crypto Coin News, and then, Coins Telegram, not Cointelegraph. Let's go on CCN. Let's see what we can find just for 1 second. So I don't understand. Is this like an advertisement or something? So this has been posted back in March 2018, I think. I'm not sure, guys. I mean, this screams scam to me, guys. I'm not sure. This does not make any sense. Unless, you know something, unless this thing is a scam, the investment platform, and this is like the legitimate deal, the deposit / receive. I'm not sure. Do not throw any money at this. I'm not sure how they're going about this, because it looks like a scam, okay? It does not look really legitimate. There's some bullshit token sale, and then So let's wait. I'm not sure, guys. Just do not invest in this. No clear team, you know, no nothing, to be honest. So how much should I wait? Globalizing trading under one platform, purchase per. Well, you should have launched the tokens by November of 2018, supposedly. Okay, cryptocurrency open from December. What's about this December thing? I'm not sure. One Goex is about what? One Satoshi? No, 4, 5. That's about 1,000 Satoshis, I think. Recommend that you use MetaMask. I'm not sure, guys. What the hell is this? Again, the same bullshit. You know, I'm not sure if these people are legit, but do you think this is a real company? I mean, at this point, it just does not look like one. White paper, okay, on. But this does all seem new. They said that they're going to open the new Goex token on November of 2018. I'm not tripping, right? Let me just check. Launch of Goex token, as you can see, November. Guys, stay away from this. Okay, I don't know what their plan is. When are they going to run away? And if you're going to make a profit from this, this is just all seems a scam. Thank you guys for watching, and please just do not invest into this. They have multiple languages also, so they have Russian, Chinese, I think South Korean, Japanese, Indian, and other languages. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm really tired of this, to be honest, seeing people getting scammed left and right, you know. And this Goex thing, okay, I saw a video, I remember, okay, back in Change.Pro. I watched a video, someone was making profit. Of course, one of them marketers was trying to get affiliate system, but I'm not sure. It has been like 1 month, 2 months, I'm not sure, but it's, you know. And he said a really important detail, and since he invests in such scams, he promotes them. He says when they advertise, you should run away, or that's at least his own advice to his people. Anyways, guys, stay away from this. This does not look legitimate. It just looks like another big scam, like Change.Pro. Just stay away from this. Thank you guys for watching, and stay on the safe side.